Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply create the see-through frame on CapCut PC. It is so easy. You're just going to grab any video that you want. I'll just grab this and I'm just going to add it to the timeline. I'm going to then go to library and I'm going to add in a white stock video, freeze frame it, and I'm just going to adjust it till the end of the video so that I can extend it. If I don't do that, I can't extend the overlay. Go to mask, select rectangle, and reverse that, and you're just going to create this border. Once you're done, just select the border, go back to basic, go to blend mode, and then select overlay, and that is pretty much it really. It is that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!